Hey, what's up? Been a while since I did a composing in real time, so I thought it'd be fun to do one of these for old time's sake. I got a cool client request to do an ambient track for their background videos on YouTube. They kind of do 40K Warhammer stuff, and I wrote a piece for them a while back, but they wanted another one because they liked the first piece. So I'm just gonna work through that in real time. Let's just jump into it. So we're gonna go synths primarily, I think. Maybe some percussion as well. Let's grab some stuff. Now I think I want some kind of electronic-y thing. This could work. For a 1 minute loop, honestly, that's enough. Like for that kind of instrument, let's not push anything because we want to have a little room for other things. It's a little, sounds like a fart. But that's the idea. Let's look for something like that. That sounds even more like a fart. Wait, that's sick. This is cool because I think it's not actually synced up with the time signature. I think we could just use some noise, some general noise. What do we have in the Groth drones? Okay, that's terrifying. Fracture Sounds sent me this. And it's really interesting. The granular synth is really cool. Yeah, like this is perfect. All right, let's see what else we got in Fracture. That's pretty good. How if we use that with Shimmer? Oh yeah. It's got that nice drift to it. Very nice, very nice. I like it, but I want to do something different. Ooh. That's pretty cool. It seems really insignificant, but because the piece is looping for, you know, potentially like 15 minutes and it's only a minute long, it's really important to get as much variety as possible within that minute. I think just like maybe one or two more things, or three. Okay. Love this one. Use this on so much stuff. Let's throw in like strings, but just like a texture. This is also a new one from Fracture Sounds that I like. Still want like a general kind of like you're stuck in a submarine or something. That's pretty on point. Whoa. That works. All right, now let's just do some touch-ups with the mix at the end. Keep everything nice and compressed here. Yeah, I think this is good. Let's send it off and see what we think. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. That was fun to write. I enjoyed that.